got my tub here with the bubbler, and this is just a spa tub bubbler. I've hooked to some PVC pipe, and I'll do a video on that some other time. But this is how I wash the beans. What I'll do is I'll grab a bunch of the beans and I throw them into this washing machine that we converted into a salad spinner, and I can do a video on that at some point. It's pretty straightforward. I just took the top off of it and kind of took some of the guts out of here. But anyways, so I'll take some beans and I'll stick it in there to make sure that it's pretty even all the way around. And just start it up, let it spin a minute. And then what I'll do is once that spins for a little bit, it takes 90% of the water off, and then I'll put it on my drying screen here and let it dry for a little bit longer. If it's kind of humid out, you might want to put a fan on it, but today it's pretty dry, and they feel pretty dry just to the touch, so I can bag these up pretty quickly. So what I have is I'll have my bags over here on this table. This is a roll around table, and I have my bags here, and I have my scale I put here, and I just bag everything up right from the table here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and like and share.